Hi, I'm Helen from Paving Stones Direct. I'm here today to talk to you about our silver Kandla Grey porcelain. Made to mimic the natural Indian sandstone, also called silver Kandla Grey, this porcelain has a more classic ribbon effect to it in comparison to other porcelain paving. This porcelain paving comes in a refreshing and modern grey with natural stone characteristics that adds some flair to its otherwise consistent colours. Our silver Kandla Grey porcelain is perfect for the UK's weather patterns, boasting anti-slip properties in both wet and dry conditions, as well as a high natural stain resistance. It comes in a variety of sizes for paving, planks and cobbles for edging, and bull noses for steps or wall toppers. If you have any questions regarding our silver Kandla Grey porcelain or any of our other products, please get in touch using the information on screen. If you want to take a close look at our products, we have samples available to order across our entire product range, which are refundable once your paving order has been placed. We also have the latest brochure for 2022 and 2023 available to order. Thanks for watching.